So today is Royal Oak Bike Night. I'm not in Royal Oak right now, but I had to get some business to take care of. Everybody's trying to see what everybody's doing. They're trying to meet up, trying to gather up. Right now I'm solo, and I made some space on my GoPro because there's a lot of traffic out today, bro. It's not a joke. There's so many cars, so much construction going on. It's insane. So hopefully I get to link up with somebody before heading out to Royal Oak today. Until then, it's your boy Backfire 313, and we out this thing. So we made it to Bucharest. I met up with the guys. I ordered my dang food, right? Why the heck did they give my food away? He tried to tell me that the receipt didn't print out on the back. That's a dang lie. They gave my food away because they weren't paying attention. It's been 30 freaking minutes, dog. I'm done. Made it to location number 2, picking up the other group of bikers before we head out to Royal Oak Bike Night. We flooded, loud. It's just too much fun, man. I'm telling you, I told y'all to get one. Stop playing and get you one. Come on. Low-key, we ended up splitting up on the freeway because half of the people knew where we was going, half of us didn't. But we all made it here regardless.
Tell them to bring me my money.
And mama, don't worry, you raised a gangster, I'm a survivor. It hurt me not being able to give you what you want since I was a toddler. Shout out to my pops, fire the free game. Everything you ever told me is stuck in my brain. Real OG status ain't like to make a change. Shed the tears right in this and so much pain.
Welcome to Royal Oak Bike Night, baby. Take a look, 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 take a look. This is crazy.